Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Geo Tracker. First, download the Geo Tracker app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and grant it location permissions. This allows the app to access your GPS data for accurate tracking. You'll see a map interface where your current location is marked. Ensure your device's GPS is enabled for optimal performance. To start recording, simply tap the prominent Start button on the main screen. As you move, Geo Tracker will automatically draw your path on the map and update your statistics in real time. You can pause a recording if you need a break and then resume it later. When your activity is complete, tap the Stop button. The app will then prompt you to save your newly recorded track. After saving, you can access all your recorded tracks from the main menu, usually labeled Tracks or History. Select a track to view its detailed information, including total distance, duration, average speed, and elevation changes. The app often provides graphs to visualize your speed and altitude over time. You can also export your tracks in common formats like GPX or KML, making it easy to share your adventures with others. Geo Tracker offers several advanced features to enhance your experience. You can customize the map type to satellite, terrain, or other options to suit your preference. It's also possible to add waypoints during your journey to mark points of interest or specific locations. Remember to check the app settings for options like track color and unit preferences. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.